Insert a picture into your PowerPoint presentation. Select Insert Pictures. Choose one of the options. This device lets you choose a picture from your PC. Stock Images lets you choose from a collection of high-quality images, icons, cutout people, stickers, and illustrations. Online Pictures lets you search for images from the web. Drag a handle to resize the image. Drag the image to move it where you want. Or use design ideas and let PowerPoint create a beautiful slide for you.